Hey everybody, this is Dean's Daily Doses. Got 500 crickets in the other day. This is them and their little setup. Got some food cubes, some water, some dirt down there. I read a thing that said the males, see there's a male there. He's got two feelers back there. See there's another one. Well, this broke off. Now see there's the female. It said it's got that long one in the middle. That's so they can dig down and bury the eggs in the lay eggs in there. See how it's doing? So hopefully these guys breed so we can have some more crickets for our bearded dragon. Pretty cool. Look at them just all running all over. I put a UVB light bulb up here. UVB or UVA, don't remember which. Thanks for hanging out, checking out the cricket video here. Look at that cricket right there. He's making that chirp. There's that female again. There's a lot of females in this batch. They eat their own? Is that what they're doing? That's what that looks like they're doing. He's chewed up pretty good. We got cannibal crickets. Again, I'm getting water. Well, they weren't kidding. They're just digging right down in there. Little cricket farm, there's 500 in here. Maybe more. Said they send some extras with it. I fed one to the lizard so far. Yesterday. I just got these all set up yesterday. See all of them in them holes? All up underneath there. They go up underneath where it's dark. See how they're up underneath? It's crazy.